Next, we're going to bring the left hand on the ground and the left knee on the ground. You're going to stretch the right leg behind you and the right hand all the way up. Once you're comfortable and stable here, shoulders away from the ears, then you can stretch both the legs into Vasishthasana.
ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मारीचिहलमस्त्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विविधं धनुरासनम्.
Very good. Switch the sides. You're going to bring the right hand down and the right knee down, stretching the left leg and the left hand all the way up. Vasishthasana.
ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मरीचिहलमस्त्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विविधं धनुरासनम्.
Release. Now come into a seated position, stretching the legs in front of you into Anjaneyasana. So keeping the spine straight, toes pointing up towards the sky. You're going to bring the palms of your hand right below the sitting bones. And inhaling up, keeping the elbows as close to you as possible, Anjaneyasana.
दोवू कर की उभे हथेली कोरुवारिली मेले भेली सो आगाने भूपरि दाखे महाने अंगुली मिली राखे अंगुष्ठ छीदा राखे दोई पुनः हथेली पिष्ट जुजोई तापरिमूल द्वारिटिक बैसे बहुज्यो जुगती करे एक बैसे.
And slowly release. You're going to inhaling arms up and on the exhale forward and down into Paschimottanasana, holding the big toes with the index and middle finger, leaning forward and down into Paschimottanasana.
प्रसार्य पादौ भुवि दण्डरूपौ दोर्भ्यां पादाग्रद्वितयं गृहीत्वा जानुपरिन्यस्तललाटदेशे वसेदिदं पश्चिमतानमाहुः.
Inhaling up and on the exhale you're going to bring the hands behind the neck and on the exhale you're going to lean forward and down into Ugrasana.
स्वपाणिभ्यां दृढं धृत्वा जानुपरिशिरोन्यसेत् आसनोग्रमिदं प्रोक्तं भवेदनिलदीपनं देहावसानहरणं पश्चिमोत्तानसंज्ञकं ययेतदासनं श्रेष्ठं प्रत्यहं साधयेत् सुधीः वायुः पश्चिममार्गेण तस्य सञ्चरति ध्रुवम्.
Slowly inhale and the exhale release. Now bring in the left, keeping the left leg straight, bring the right knee up. And as you bend the right knee, you're going to inhale the right hand forward and back, interlacing the hands behind you into Marichasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Inhaling up. And on the exhale, you're going to bring the knee down, keeping the heel of your foot as close to you as possible. Keep facing forward towards the left leg. Inhaling arms up. And on the exhale, we're going to lean forward and down, both hands touching the foot in front of you, into making sure that before we enter into the asana, exhale, the exhalation, engage Uddiyana Bandha. Tucking the belly in and up, chin to the chest, Jalandhara Bandha, and engage the base of your spine, Mula Bandha, into Mahamudrasana.
डावा पग की एड़ी जोई सीवनी आनी लगावे सोई दक्षिण लांबोजु पसारे तामे आनी कागसी धारे दोऊ खवा ऊर्ध सो धरे 300 फेर अभ्यास जु करे नासा दृष्टि आन ठहरावे महामुद्रा नाम सो पावे.
And slowly inhaling up and on the exhale release. Stretch the right leg in front of you. Bring in the left knee up. Spine is straight. Marichasana, leaning forward and back. interlacing the hands behind you and lean forward all the way into Marichasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Inhaling up, and on the exhale, bringing the knee down, foot as close to you as possible, and inhaling arms up, and on the exhale, Mahamudrasana, engaging the three bandhas, Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, and Jalandhara Bandha on the exhalation, Rechaka Kumbhaka. And gazing at the tip of your nose.
डावा पग की एड़ी जोई सीवनी आन लगावे सोई दक्षिण लांबोजु पसारे तामे आनी कागसी धारे दोऊ खवा ऊर्ध सो धरे 300 फेर अभ्यास जु करे नासा दृष्टि आन ठहरावे महामुद्रा नाम सो पावे.
Very good. Inhaling up, and on the exhale, release. Very good. Now we're going to bring the feet together. Feet together in Bhadrasana. So as close to you as possible, interlacing the hands and lifting the spine, allowing the hips to open up in Bhadrasana 1.
गुल्फौ तु वृषणस्याधः सीवन्याः पार्श्वयोः क्षिपेत् पादपार्श्वे तु पाणिभ्यां दृढं बद्ध्वा सुनिश्चलं भद्रासनं भवेदेतत् सर्वव्याधिविशापहम्.
And release. You're going to bring the hands, bring the feet a little bit forward and hands by your knees into Gwalipavasana.
पूर्व चरपट चोक कह्यो सोई वाही विधि योग की जी सोई यामे येडी भिन्न जुराशे अंगुल 8 अंतरो राशे.
And slowly inhaling up, and on the exhale, leaning forward and down into Jonyasana.
दोऊ पग थली संपुट करे येडी मेढ के ढिंग धरे अर्ध हाथ को अंतर राखे लिलाट पग थल्या ऊपर दाखे.
Inhaling up, and on the exhale, you're going to bring the hands by your sides, and again exhale, leaning forward and down into Midaki Pavasana.
पूर्व विधि परि पग थली संपूट शोल येडी मिली राशे येड्यासु माहिली कानी अगूल दो आतरे लिलाट धरती लगावे हाथ दोऊ गोडा ऊपरी लगावा आडवाई रचा परा पसारे.
Inhaling up, and on the exhale, this time you're going to bring the hands through the knees, bringing the palms facing up into Siddha Samadhi Asana.
दोऊ पग थली संपुट करे सोले आगा में धरे अंगुल 8 आंतरो राखे एड़ी को ऐसे विधि दाखे आणे हाथ पगा के माही कोहणिक सहित तलाया ताई आम्हा साम्हा कर पुनि दोई भूपर राखे सुधा सोई.
Slowly, you can come out and bringing the feet together, close to you. Now you're going to open the feet wide apart into Chinaki Pavasana.
दोऊ पगा की येड़ी धरती लगिवा मेड लगावे पग थली माहिली कोर अंगूठा की सधी सूदी जोड़े बारिली फोर फणा शुल्या राशे.
Next, you're going to press the knees down towards the ground into Charpata Chokasana.
दोऊ पग थली संपुट धारे आना ने कर जोर ये सारे गोड़ा भूसो लगता राखे हाथ दोऊ गोड़ा परिदाखे.
Very good. Now you're going to bring the toes on the ground and the heels up into Bhairavasana.
गुल्फौ संपीड्य चान्योन्यं व्युत्क्रमेणोत्थितं शनैः जान्वोः पार्श्वगतौ हस्तौ दण्डवद् भैरवासनम्.
Release. And you're going to enter into Shirsha Padmasana as you bring the left knee into a 90-degree angle. Yes? You're going to bring that knee over the shoulder. Very nice and comfortable. All of us are there? I see some people slowly coming. Yes, just give it a try wherever you are. That's good. Now, you're going to bring both hands on the ground and you're going to slightly lift the right leg up. Shirsha Padmasana.
केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गगने तिष्ठेद्दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमेतद्धि सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा भूमौ शीर्षपद्मे समारोप्य च वायुभिः.
Release. Very good. Let's switch the sides. Bring in the right knee, bent into a 90-degree angle, shoulder over the knee, knee over the shoulder, and you're going to bring the hands flat on the ground and slowly lean back and lift the left leg up, Shirsha Padmasana.
केवलं पादमेकञ्च स्कन्धे चारोप्य यत्नतः एकपादेन गगने तिष्ठेद्दण्डवत् प्रभो अपानासनमेतद्धि सर्वेषां पूरकाश्रयं कृत्वा सूक्ष्मे शीर्षपद्मे समारोप्य च वायुभिः.
Will persistence. Will persistence in every asana. Very good. Very good. Keep the knee down, left knee down and bring the right knee over. You're going to make sure that both sitting bones are touching the ground so that your spine is straight. I notice in Shirsha Padmasana, many people stop lifting the leg for some time. You have to have the will persistence to stretch that leg up a little bit until the mantra is over. Okay, you'll be able to do it. Now in Gomukhasana, we're going to make sure that both sitting bones are on the ground and hands on the knees, lifting the spine. Close your eyes and bring awareness to your third eye.
सव्ये दक्षिणगुल्फन्तु पृष्ठपार्श्वे नियोजयेत् दक्षिणेऽपि तथा सव्यं गोमुखं यथा.
And slowly release. Hands by your feet, by the toes. And you're going to lift the heart. Inhale into Anasayasana 1.
दक्षिण गोडो नीचो ठाने वावोता के ऊपर आने गोदा सांधि मिलावे भारी आदा पद पुनि पसारी.
And inhale. And on the exhale, you're going to interlace the hands behind you, leaning forward and down, chin over the knees. Into Anasayasana 2.
जीमणा गोदा की संधि उपरि डावा गोड़ा की संधि मिलाई राशे गोड़ा स्योले पगथल्यालो आड़वाई सुधा राशे हाथा से पगा का अगूठा पकदे अथावा दो हाथ पाछा ने करिका कसी करे मूल द्वार पिष्टिका कसी राशे.
Slowly inhaling up and bringing the right foot on the ground, keeping the right knee up. We're going to make sure that the right hand is on the right knee, left hand on the left knee into Garudasana 3.
डावो पग मोड़िएड़ी माहिलो गुल्फ मूल द्वार नीचे दे बैसे जी मणि पग थली धरती टेकी गोड़ो ऊंचो उभो राशे पग थली माहिली धरती टेकी गोड़ा अरुपीडी माहिली.
Very good. Bring the foot in front of the left ankle and keeping the spine straight, you're going to bring the hands by the ears. Inhale deeply and on the exhale, you're going to bring the elbows outside of the knee into Naradasana.
पिष्ट जुवाम पगथली केरी भूपरिताही लगावे फेरी गोड़ा सुधो फना हो जोई दछिपाखती राखे सोई.
And very good. Release. Now you're going to hold the big toe with the index and middle finger. And you're going to bring the left hand from below the knee and holding the right ankle into Matsya Pitakasana.
वामेन
Spine is straight.
वामेन वामाङ्गुष्ठन्तु गृहीतं मत्स्यपीठकं योनिवामेन सम्पीड्य मेढ्रादुपरि दक्षिणम्.
And slowly release. Now you're going to bring the right foot by the left hip and bending the left knee. Bringing the left hand behind you, lifting the spine. Make sure the spine is elongated and straight before you twist any further. Okay, avoid making the spine like this and trying to twist from here. So you have to make sure it is very long. Inhaling the right hand up, and on the exhale, bring it outside of the left knee. As you bring the hand by the neck, look back into Matsyendrasana 2.
उदरं पश्चिमाभासं कृत्वा तिष्ठति यत्नतः नम्राङ्गं वामपादं हि दक्षजानुपरिन्यसेत् तत्र याम्यं कूर्परं च याम्ये करे च वक्त्रकं भ्रुवोर्मध्ये गतां दृष्टिं पीठं मत्स्येन्द्रमुच्यते.
Okay, and release the right hand by the side of the leg. You can bring the leg a little bit further, keeping the left hand straight. Bring the left hand towards the head into Kubasana. Keep looking back.
कुबा आसन आसन को गुण झोलो जाए.
Very good. Release. Hand right behind your back. Matsyendrasana 1.
मत्स्येन्द्रपीठं जठरप्रदीप्तिं प्रचण्डरुग्मण्डलखण्डनास्त्रम् अभ्यासतः कुण्डलिनी प्रबोधं दण्डस्थिरत्वं हि ददाति पुंसाम्.
And slowly release. And switch the sides. You're going to bring the left foot into the right hip. Bringing the right knee up. Right hand behind your back. Inhaling the left hand up. And on the exhale, elongate the spine and twist all the way. Hand by the neck, look back into Matsyendrasana 1.
मत्स्येन्द्रपीठं जठरप्रदीप्तिं प्रचण्डरुग्मण्डलखण्डनास्त्रम् अभ्यासतः कुण्डलिनी प्रबोधं दण्डस्थिरत्वं हि ददाति पुंसाम्.
And slowly release. Now, you're going to bring the left hand stretched by the side of the leg. Okay, keeping the spine straight and twisted. Bring the right hand by the head, Kubasana. Look back.
कुबा आसन आसन को गुण झोलो जाए.
Bring the right hand right behind your back as a support as you look back into Matsyendrasana 1.
मत्स्येन्द्रपीठं जठरप्रदीप्तिं प्रचण्डरुग्मण्डलखण्डनास्त्रम् अभ्यासतः कुण्डलिनी प्रबोधं दण्डस्थिरत्वं हि ददाति पुंसाम्.
And slowly release. Good. So we're ready to sit in Padmasana. Yes. Our hips are nice and stretched. Let's sit in Padmasana in a very comfortable way.
आसनं विविधं प्रोक्तं पद्मं वज्रासनं तथा ऊर्ध्वोरुपरि चेद्धत्ते उभे पादतले यथा पद्मासनं भवेदेतत् सर्वपापप्रणाशनम्.
And slowly bringing the hands flat by your sides, you're going to push from the ground and you're going to lean back. And when you're ready to lift, you're going to use your abdominal muscles to lift yourself up into Lolasana, Chanchalasana. And slowly release. We're going to proceed with the next one, okay? So you're going to bring the arms through the legs as we enter into Kukutasana. Hands flat on the ground, And you're going to lift yourself up into Kukudasana.
पद्मासनं सुसंस्थाप्य नानूर्वोरन्तरे करौ निवेश्य भूमावातिष्ठेत् व्योमस्थः कुक्कुटासनः.
Release. Very good.